Rise and shine, Mr. Freeman. Rise and shine. Not that I wish to imply you have been sleeping on the job. No one is more deserving of a rest. And all the effort in the world would have gone to waste until... Well, let's just say your hour has come again. The right man in the wrong place can make all the difference in the world. So wake up, Mr. Freeman. Wake up and smell the ashes.
Never one of us. You were nothing but a usurper, a false idol. My eyes have been opened. Let me help you to see Slayer. Congratulations. You are one of the few to escape alive. What do you think of yourself as? A hero? No.
Attention. Attention, please. This is a message for any survivors. Do not enter the light. I repeat, those of you who are not aware with SCP-1 event, do not enter the light. Hide in the shadows, fear the light.
Another survivor? I didn't think anyone would be left after the... I was starting to lose it. Fear. The light that... killing us. Why? What did we do?